Hey kids, it's me, Mr. Archer. I'm back with Blender today. Now, I woke up this morning and it was snowing out, and I thought, holy cow, it's May. What's going on? So, what better thing to do in Blender than a fire simulation to warm us up? So, here we go. With our default 3D scene, we have our cube selected with our left mouse button. We can choose X on our keyboard. That's gone. Now if we hit Shift A, we'll add a mesh, or we can go up to the upper left, choose Add, Mesh, UV Sphere. With our sphere selected, you can see the orange ring around it. We go up to Object, all the way down to Quick Effects, and then Quick Smoke. You're going to see a big change here. This bounding box is now around our sphere. We can see through our sphere, but you can see a little bit of gray here. So we can start seeing our particle system taking effect. Now off to the right, let's choose our sphere first. And go off to the right. We're going to choose Physics Properties. And right here under Settings, with Flow Type, we're going to choose Fire and Smoke. Boom. All right. So now with that selected, we can go up to Animation. Make sure you're on frame 1. Let's take these windows and we can move this over. And hit play. Now it's going to be kind of slow at first. When we play it back, it'll be a little better. But what would make it a lot faster is a nice GPU. So that's a graphics processing unit. So if you have a good graphics card, that's awesome for Blender. Go back, hit play. See that? There we go. So we go a little farther. Play. And it stops there. So what we can do is go back. We can select our bounding box here under properties. So physics properties. Let's see what we can do. We can go down to see our cache down here in the bottom right. Go bump that up to say 250 frames. That way it'll extend our animation. So what it was doing was only giving us frames 1 through 50 of information. Now it'll give us frames 1 through 250 of information. And we can select adaptive domain if we plan on moving the camera, all that stuff. You'll see the domain will move around and allow us to see more smoke. So if we go back, hit play, let it chunk along here. I'll probably put this in fast motion. I'll go back to the beginning, hit play. There. We have some fire going on. All right. Stay warm, kids. Bye.